Yeah, but I'm a problem. You get a more of the year. Every day, I'm in the master of a level. Whatever Wapulu kwa yenye bashe nana, wana ana nakabado. Urumu nene na nageye po, urumu mujamba, urumu mujamba na nayo kwa mato na kalongo. Ashira jena upuli kanu wani nyamu. Akumaka kwa hamuso, eno kata miendoa. Abadulu. Umukodembo, umukodeni, umukuniyo, umukamusora, mwamukura, umukura, wanamakaba. Atanaba hakubo, alono mwanawara. Makamubanebi, tomaura, samusu. Akuna tunubakufala. Atanaba hakubo, agrikiku munakwa abangataku.
Alright, so family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Lawashawiyepa Sugulana sending my peaceful and lovely greetings to you all from Bole, located in the Gonja land in northern Ghana. Tonight, I'm back with some more information. This is, just to tell you and to teach you about how we share our cultural dynamics. The former Ghanaian president, with the name John Dramani Mahama, lost his brother about a month ago. And tonight, we are performing, his funeral rites. It's tonight and tomorrow. So, I would say daybreak, because it's over 1 p.m. So, it's like 1 a.m. So, now, we are here, just a few people. A lot of people has gone to sleep. But you know what? I'm full of energy and I always want to come out and see and learn. You understand? I love these beautiful sisters drumming and dancing. This is a whole lot of new different vibe. I'm at the Gonja land. I'm at the Gonja land. The Gonja tribe, the Dagomba tribe, the Mamprusi tribe, the Nanuba tribe, the Wala tribe, the Gara tribe. You know, there's a whole lot of tribes in northern Ghana. We are all one people. There's a whole lot of tribes. Out of all the tribes that is in Ghana, it is northern Ghana that is most dominant when we talk about tribes. But me, there's one thing that I believe. I don't believe in tribes, but I believe in unity. Just see me and imagine me being here. That's something that, you know, is a must for us to do. You know, keep the connections and keep it working. So I'm at the family house to the former president of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama. He lost his brother, and we are here performing his funeral. See, I've been listening to this brother's songs for a long time. Okay, I understand, you know, the language. I really wish I understand what he's saying. But you know what? When he is singing, it inspires me. I'm just telling, you know, the person who is holding the mic that I really wish I can hear what the brother is saying on his music. When he sings, it inspires me and it motivates me and it gives me some kind of power. Yeah. There's one thing that I want to tell him, because tell him right now that I have been listening to his songs in the radio for a long time, and I really enjoy his songs. This brother, they play his song on the radio and on TV all the time, and I'm so happy to meet him today. Yeah, I've been listening to his songs for a long time.
Lama Sabuya Persona
Wulana.
Yes. I am very full set. Radio to UTV. Now we kaka. I can grab a phone with Sarabato. Without the Fara the football. Madame Falheri. I bet you for. I answer the question.
And tell him that it's only because of him that I'm still awake. Yeah.
Also, next right now. Namabara Nikiti.
Madia, Macaroni is more. I just want to get to Mamma. No one can be here. I'm going to try to do it. Surola level comes down Carbana.
Hey,
Surola Piani, Titian Piagan. She will not come here.
bro.
Madia Brit Tava Capitano Pablo. Isabella. I'm going to go home with my look at you. City one man. What about the Bumble Tora? What about the Bumble Nibble Preventing Good Medi?
No, just for
I'm going to go Balomaka Kayano, Balomaka Tilly, Kataya Kava, Media Blue. I'm running the Balama. Who's the one of Funa? What's the Kaka Tati, who will never be as
please hold it for me.
who will never
I have some
live
important message to share.
I'm running the Bilera. He is a Poro. Come to Malan Jamoro. What can come about was your Panawo? Yaringi kuleletuka akagere banyama bonyele kaka media banyama konuso obere kama muoma nenda jemle abaje mata muoma mwale nija jema didi yaringi kuleletuka leka ngwa nyanda chere kanga na mela kanga mukwadugo kitire kulo umole do dunya adamu gabe ngara amrowa Tisha Monamba, Obrasha Monamba Cabri, Allo, Chamu Cashibici, Jacob Toro, Women and Kanye Benefo, who didn't be sleeping in a good. At the time you go to Yaka, whatever more would have put. Lieutenant women at the more. One more cabin more crack of Fuliga, Fia Camus, one and I'm in the What's when I had a Tlash up with the spa? Tlashy, the Napondo ship. What's the Kukuna Mania? I want to remember on the cabin who tell you what I'm going to bring you. Who are going to eat you go for many one? And the other Kumajinwa, Adoka Shanakawu, Kumajinwa, Yadesikawu, Kumajinwa, Makano Wali, when you look to Catalan, well, and so can you Abiso, the matter of Mariana, can you? I never about to the so can you? Every day, but so can you? When you look at the so can you? Can you never can you? Just Magre,